what I'm saying is that sometimes people are misled by what they think they know, and I'm saying, because they say stuff and they misappropriate the information that they've learned. So the fact is, yes, they can kill a certain genotype or a certain DNA sequence. They can, but that doesn't mean they can kill every black person, because not everybody has that sequence. You know what I'm saying? And what happens with genes is that they recombinate. You know what I'm saying? So they're not always the same. So if it's made for AA34.4A, then it can kill all them ones in that zone. But it doesn't mean it can kill every single black person on the planet. So like HIV, for instance, whilst it's germ warfare, it's not strictly targeted at black people, but mostly black people have been targeted in Africa for it. So it shows you that they can target you by using gene manipulation or germ manipulation. That's clear. But to say that they can kill everybody and make it seem as if it's some big thing that everybody's going to dead from it, that they haven't. When they reach there, we'll know they reached there. But what I'm saying is that that's where the misinformation comes from, where people just make these blanket statements about stuff. It's almost like putting the fear in you, because you're saying, well, no, they can't read it. No, they ain't got that far yet. And and also because there's a lot of mixed race people as well who will also have that gene. You know what I'm saying? This will have to be a level that's. If that was ever to come out, it would be some whole next thing. So I'm not saying that a lot of some of the information. What my problem with a lot of the information that people say, they say that nigger means death, or they'll say stuff and they'll fervently say these stuff, and they haven't done the research. What they've done, they've listened to another man, and there's a lot of leaders out there. While they're good at, so even me, so that I might say, what was I saying to somebody the other day? I was saying 1862. Or I made the wrong date about the emancipation of black people, and the guy comes and say, well, and it's all just because I misread the date. So even as somebody who I know stuff, I can make mistakes. So you can't just consistently believe in what most of these guys. That's what they do. They believe in what a next man tells them and passes it on because they believe in that teacher. Sometimes the teacher's wrong, or sometimes the teacher hasn't gotten the new information to update that old information that was right at the time when he gave that information. So what I found with a lot of these people is that they have a belief, and then 10, 20 years later, they're still telling you what they knew 20 years ago, and not realizing that what they believed 20 years ago is no longer in play. That's what I'm talking about. So when people make these blanket statements like what they can do, what they can't do, if they could actually do these things, according to their wickedness, it done do already. Call them wicked. You know what I'm saying? But I'm saying they are wicked, and they will do what they have to do, but it has to be done in a particular way. And we are now, as a people, helping. We've got people on their side now, assimilated blacks who have no care for their post-slavery generation, and will do anything to keep their family and themselves in the White House or wherever they want to keep themselves.